Okay, today I'm opening an order from new Direction Aromatics. So I got most of these orders for free to me because I submitted a review on their website and I won the $100 credit that they do every month. And so I did pay for some, but most of this was free. First one is, so the tangerine fragrance. I like citrus. It smells. It's very citrus.
Yeah, it's good.
It's sweet. Then we have dragon's blood. Yeah, there you go. Maybe I only bought this one because it's supposed to be very popular, and it's kind of earthy. Oh, this was good. I'm surprised. Because most people describe it as being like a hippies,
I like it.
60s kind of fragrance. But this one smells good.
Yeah, it smells good.
I like it. It had good reviews also on their website.
Ooh,
Woodland themes. It is kind of sweet. These I bought because it was the closest thing that I saw to pine. It does smell like pine.
I thought it smells more like a sweet rosemary to me.
I can see rosemary. Yeah. I can see that. Okay, then we have honey, which I have honey from Wholesale Supplies. So I'm trying to see if theirs smells similar. It smells good because it will be more affordable.
Yeah, it's honey.
It smells like honey.
Yeah.
And same thing for pineapple. I like the one from Wholesale Supplies, but I'm trying to see if theirs is similar and how it will behave in soap with lasting. It smells good. Like pineapple candy.
Ooh, yeah, that's really good. I like that.
And this one, somebody recommended it to me. It's orange ginger. I think it was Vicky. I can smell the orange. I cannot smell the ginger.
Orange ginger.
But it's good. I like it.
Orange ginger type. It's a very.
Something is subtle, right?
It's very. Yeah, it's just a hint of ginger, I guess.
Peaches and cream, which I like the one from Lone Star Candle, but I'm curious to see if theirs is also good. It smells good. It smells a lot like you're about to eat peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream, that's good.
Cucumber. This one I bought to use in blends. It smells like a little bit like watermelon candy.
Yeah, it's exactly. It just smells like Jolly Rancher,
Yeah, I'm not getting too much cucumber.
Watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Huh. Interesting. Because I also bought a watermelon from them. I wonder what you will think of it. Okay, this is frankincense. And it's not clear. You can tell that it's opaque in the bottle, which is odd. I wonder if it has so much of I wonder if it has some of the actual resins. Because it does look opaque.
I wonder if you need to shake it.
It does smell like frankincense. But it smells like the essential oil.
Yes. But it's not very strong. It's good.
Now, Bahama berry and melon. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. It smells nice.
This also smells like
the
yes.
cucumber.
Yes, smells kind of like the Jolly Rancher cucumber thingy.
Now, this is eucalyptus spearmint, which some people in the reviews compare it to, I want to say some kind of soup. It smells a little bit on the masculine side, like almost cologne.
That's what it reminds me of a cologne.
It's supposed to smell like zest.
It does not smell like. I mean, maybe it does, but
But it's like
it reminds me of some cologne or something. I can't pinpoint it though, but it smells good. It'd be good for man soap.
and this
Soap
is
for men.
cranberry, peach, vanilla. I don't like that.
Cranberry.
It
peach,
smells like
vanilla.
a fruit that I don't like. Either, I mean, I like guava, but I think it smells
The initial is good, but then it has like a little,
like an overripe fruit
something like
smell.
towards the end. It
Yeah.
starts smelling like it's just the scent is kind of
Yeah, it's odd. It may smell better, so hopefully.
Right.
And right now it's concentrated. So. Lastly, I have 2 essential oils. Well, actually, this is lavender from France, essential oil, and this is bergamot, but it's a natural blend. So it's not a. It's more like they've taken the components of the essential oil and made it. So it's not natural exactly. It smells like most lavenders that I smelled, the Bulgarian or I don't
this
know.
is lavender France.
It's herbal.
Yes.
And bergamot is just a citrus. It's like soft.
That's bergamotine free.
It's something, I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's supposed to avoid something to do with your skin reactions, I think.
Okay.
Then I also bought from them Babasu oil, which is a very similar oil to coconut oil. So that's it. And that's my bounty. Bye.
Bye.